Western medicine, we can't cure something and can survive. But acupuncture can cure.
Ma'am, how does it work from medical point of view?
It's very important because everybody needs some counseling. Everybody having cancer cells inside, everybody's.
Are there any open pressure points which we can see with our eyes but we as a common person don't know about?
Some children having epilepsy, fingertips here and do it press here. Sometime maybe they are going to faint or getting paralyzed. You 1 second, you just do like this. It's finished.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Ali Ahmed and you are watching Suno Punjab. They say nothing a man can do nearly approaches God than healing a man. We have examples of Spanish flu of early 90s, bubonic plague of 13s. But skipping the period of time, now medical sciences has done such revolution that it sometimes seems magical, and a beautiful example of that magic is acupuncture. I am graced with the presence of Dr. Nishani, who have done MBBS but now is a specialist in acupuncture. Ma'am, a very warm welcome.
Welcome.
Ma'am, first of all, I would like you to tell me more about yourself.
Yeah, actually I'm an acupuncture professor in Sri Lanka and several countries, and I'm a counselor and a psychologist and a distance healing and touch healing healer.
Ma'am, what kind of illness do you basically treat?
Because actually I'm taking the patients, but our Western medicine, they can't, sometimes it's not a one side, because I have to tell you, we can't cure, in Western medicine we can't cure something and can survive. But acupuncture can cure. Because permanent cure, sugar, then cholesterol and heart disease.
Even heart diseases?
Yeah, because actually 100% sure. And children, Down syndrome, autism, and multiple sclerosis, muscular dystrophy, and many kind of this thing.
Ma'am, how does it work from medical point of view?
Because actually I think our doctors must be keep the mind relaxed patients. It's very important because everybody needs some counseling.
When mind is relaxed, the body is relaxed.
Yes. It's very important, very, very important. If you have any kind of patients, cancer, even cancer, I can cure cancers.
With acupuncture?
With acupuncture, without acupuncture also I'm doing, because we want to talk. Everybody having cancer cells inside, everybody's. Then I think we can talk many times. They trust us. 50% I can give. 50% I need them. Then agree with me, it can survive.
Ma'am, does it really help with stress?
Yeah, of course. Acupuncture is marvelous because we have to several points for the. We have to build up our mind, yin and yang, right? Because we have one balance. We have to take one balance. That is the thing. Stress means somebody know about this worries, some illness, and think about that. So how can I survive this one? They have some loans and they don't know how to react. That's the point we can get stress. And love, they are broken the love together. Something some people can't express. And many things they are dropped, getting stress.
Ma'am,
stress also.
When I think about acupuncture, I think about needles.
Yeah.
But when I think about needles, there's just some vague ideas of diseases or blood comes to my mind. Is it safe? Is it risky?
No risky, because actually they have it's like that needles like a pencil. It's they have a 6. It's like a sharp 6 places. Then we insert our body. It's come up. It's coming like a arrow. It's blood come. We can understand that's the cure. Starting the cure point. That is not harm. No after effect. It's 200%. I'm
Wow.
telling that.
Ma'am, basically you trigger pressure points.
Yes.
Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
So, are there any open pressure points which we can see with our eyes, but we as a common person don't know about?
Yeah, because actually one here, and our these things is pressure people. Sometime maybe 180, 120 that we can't. Sometime maybe they are going to faint or getting paralyzed. You 1 second you just do like this. It's finished. No need to do treatments or anything. That's one.
So, ma'am, please tell me more about these pressure points.
Yeah.
2 or 3, please.
Yes,
I would like
because
to know.
actually is another one. Some children having epilepsy, then we just keep this fingertips here and do it press here.
Press.
Yeah, 2-3 times, vanish.
Wow.
It is
Marvelous.
Yeah.
Ma'am, it's risk-free. It's very safe.
Very, very safe.
Are there any scientific...
Nothing inside is our organs is clear, no? Because sugar people, some is calling sugar means here is calling what?
Sugar.
Sugar. So how are they connect with this one? We want to know how to get in that. It's fact. It's stress. Not you are taking sugar or any whatever you can eat, sugar or rice or anything. If any patients take all the things, every day they are using this one, I am cured. Because only reduce stress.
Wow.
That's why.
Ma'am, are there any scientific evidence which proves that acupuncture really works?
Never. I don't think so. If anybody having some illness, irritations or something, it can cure. The acupuncture. Other people, we will have to take the many medicines. But only 1 or 2 needles can survive.
Ma'am, when here in Pakistan, when a person is sick or ill, he basically ignores it for first 3 to 4 days.
Yeah.
Then when the illness and sickness grows,
Yeah.
then he just goes to a normal pharmacist and takes some medicines.
Yes.
Then how do you convince some people to
Yeah.
actually skip those medicines and comes to the acupuncture?
Actually, they are luckiest people. Because they don't like to get the medicine. It's refused. 2 days or 3 days, we can give the needles, immune system, we can get a balance. Fever people, only 3 needles.
Wow.
Sometime maybe 2 days, no, 1 day, 1 session. Enough.
So, does some patients get scared?
Yeah, it's okay, no problem. Then we are how to treat the people. We want to know that how is this one. They are how is inside. We want to just talk to the patient because we attach with them. Then friendly.
Yes.
Then they don't harm feel inside. They trust that it's very easy.
So, acupuncture is a traditional Chinese form
TCM,
of...
yeah.
Yes, TCM. Do you, when practice TCM, acupuncture,
Yes.
do you use traditional methods or are there new techniques available also?
Because actually, touch wood, I am using basically all methods because I like it. Not new techniques, but now people are going with new techniques.
New techniques.
Yeah, it's good because I am not practice. I am practice with the
Traditional way.
Traditional.
So what's the basic difference between traditional way and
new things? They are is making, I think, new methods. Yeah, using, but it's good. Actually, good. but that's I know that my professor.
The old is gold.
Old is gold.
Nice, nice. Ma'am, in the last, I would like you to tell me what new developments and research are you most excited about? in
Yeah,
acupuncture?
because research mean I am learn from Dr. Jayasuri, Anton Jayasuri professor, because he
A renowned professor.
Yes, my God, of course, world knows that the presidents and everybody knows Dr. It's not a Chinese. Actually, it's Dr. Jayasuri is the one is we love this acupuncture. That's a Sri Lankan, the first I don't know, I can't remember that name because he is the one is starting our Sri Lanka. That's an research mean can help everything, everybody, any other illness. They have some, nobody is care for the acupuncture. If they want to need a long time, long health, they attach with the acupuncture is most important. That's why.
Ma'am, if a person likes to study it
Yeah.
or get in this field,
Yeah.
how can we do that?
You want to be a patient, so
As a practitioner.
practitioner. You have to go. It's there has some acupuncture school. You have
Basically, it's a proper course and degree.
yeah, because actually we have to go there involved, and first we have to learn why we have to do. First, we want to know our body, that immune system. It's very important. Then we can do, and they also have some courses of counseling. It's attached with them. It's very, very important.
Are
It's
there
mind-
any license as well?
Yeah. It's very
If you
important.
don't have license, you cannot practice acupuncture.
Can't practice. We can't touch even their hand, even
Okay.
body.
Hmm.
Yes, it's very important that one people. But I don't think so that doctors are doing they are doing only 2-3 needles. They are giving not 2-3. Normally, I am using 95 needles. One body, one session, 45 minutes. I just giving.
And the person is just laying there.
No, he can staying like this. They put the music and all that. They are very, very
Soothing.
Yes, I'm cute like this.
Ma'am, thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.
A needle can give or take lives. It's just depend on who use it and how use it. I am Ali Ahmed. Keep listening and watching Suno Punjab.